Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a intelligent agent just to remind students to continue to log into your course. So this is going to work really well for an online course. So let's dive right on in. Access your course and select More Tools, Intelligent Agents. Select New Agent and give your agent a name. After you have your agent named, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to skip the description here for a minute and I'm going to go down into the Take Action on Activity area and I'm going to select Course Activity because I want to be notified every 3 days that my student has not accessed the course and sending them a reminder email. So I have that checked off and I can just go back and paste that into the description area. I'm going to make sure status is enabled. I'm going to use select user with a specific role. And again, always select your student. And I'm going to send an email. So what action do you need in the repetition area? You're going to take action every time the agent is evaluated. Because if the student gets the email the first time, but that maybe time lapses and they get a little slack again, you want to make sure that that's continuing going to the student. So here I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill out the body and subject of the email. So here you can see that I've added in a subject line and I have the body of my message ready to go. So the replacement strings that I used are initiating user first name, which is going to greet the student by their first name. And then I went through and I wanted to add not only the course name here, it also is in the subject line, but I also wanted to let the student know, I know the last time you logged into the course. So here it's going to add in that date and time stamp, the last time the student accessed your specific course and the last time they logged into D2L with a short little message, please contact me. And that's how you create that in there. So let's go back and scroll through. So if you don't use a schedule, you're going to have to be very, very mindful of this because this is going to run even after your course has completely finished. So do you want to run it, consistently during the day, or are you going to want to be using it through a schedule? So you may want to do that if you're not going to be up with checking it all the time. So maybe if I do this every day, and I have it checked, then I'm going to want to make sure that my students don't get this after the course is ended because that may be a little bit embarrassing. So just pay attention to your start and your end dates, and there you have it. That is creating a reminder to log in to your course with using an intelligent agent. Thanks for watching.